Vectorworks have announced Vectorworks 2026. It's now available. You can download it and start using it straight away. Don't forget to rebuild your workspace. I've already started rebuilding my workspace, rebuild all your right clicks and so on. So should you migrate your workspace from one version to the other? My answer is often no, because you don't know what tools you got up here that maybe you didn't know about, weren't in the old workspace. So it's a good idea to rebuild these again and to look at your workspace again. But let's not get too carried away. Let's have a look. What are the rules for using Vectorworks 2026 in your current projects? Now, my rule is if you've got a project which is time sensitive, so you've got to get it out shortly, do not upgrade that project to 2026 yet. Make sure you've got time for things to not work. Sure, there's done beta testing and they've done as much as they can, but it's always a question of when should you upgrade. I like to upgrade my projects once Vectorworks 2026.1, for example, is out. Now, if my projects are still time sensitive and I need to get this project out next week, I'll still do it in the old version of Vectorworks because everything is where I know, there are no hidden buttons, everything is what I expect. Now, if that project's not due out for a month, maybe that's a good project to start in Vectorworks 2026. So if you're migrating old projects from 2025 to 2026, be careful, make sure they're not time sensitive. If they are, keep them in Vectorworks 2025 until you start a new project in 2026. Can you update them easily? Of course you can update them easily. I update my library all the time. But the real trick is to make sure that you've got the time for things to go wrong. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this movie, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps people to find these movies. Hey, if you don't know, I've started a new community on school.com. It's the Vectorworks training community. I've got a lot of people that are really contributing to learning there. You'll get all of my courses, plus you'll get all of my live sessions for the last 5 years. It's all there, plus we have live sessions every week. Hey, join me on the community. See you there.